In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use nested if function in Google Sheets. Start by opening your Google Sheet. You can use a brand new, untitled spreadsheet or an existing one where you already have some data. A nested if is simply an if inside another if. It is useful when you need to check more than one condition in a specific order. Google Sheets evaluates the first test, and as soon as it finds a true result, it returns that output and stops checking the rest. In this example, we will assign letter grades based on a numeric score. Make sure you have scores entered in column D, starting in cell D2. Then click the cell where you want the letter grade to appear. This is the output cell, and it should be on the same row as the score you are grading. Now click into the formula bar area and type the nested if formula exactly like this. =if D2 =90A if D2 =80B. When you enter it, pay close attention to a few things. First, order matters. You must test the highest threshold first, then work your way down. This is because a nested if stops at the first true condition. With this setup, a score of 95 meets the 90 or higher test, so Sheets returns A right away. If the score is not at least 90, then it moves to the next test for 80 or higher, and returns B if that is true. If that is still false, it checks for 70 or higher and returns C. And if none of those conditions are met, the final result is F. Next, watch your quotation marks and parentheses. Letter grades are text, so they must be in quotation marks like A and B. Also, every if you open must be closed. Since this formula has 3 if statements, you will end with 3 closing parentheses. After typing the formula, confirm it so the cell calculates and displays the correct grade. You can then select the cell again to review the formula and make sure nothing is missing, especially the commas, quotes, and closing parentheses. That covers everything you need to know.